If you think bitter melon is too bitter, you have to try this version. Let's saute garlic. Let's also saute our onions. Let's add our tomatoes. And a little tiny bit of patis. Not too much, okay? Because our black beans are very salty. So don't overdo your patis. We just want to season our aromatics. Let's also add a little bit of ground black pepper. Alright, let's mix it up a little bit. And then we can put our lid on and give this a few minutes. Alright, this should be good here. Alright, so these are the salted black beans that I'm going to be using for this dish. So I won't be putting the whole thing because these are very salty. So let me just add some of the beans and a little bit of the sauce. Then we'll adjust as we go. Alright, so let's mix it up a little bit and then we can add our shrimp and the bitter melon. And then we'll top it with some scrambled eggs. These are our shrimp. These are deveined peeled shrimps, okay? I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know that shrimp don't take a lot of time to cook. So at this point, we can actually add our bitter melon also. So all I basically did to the bitter melon was slice them into thin pieces. Alright, so let's mix everything together and then we can put our lid on and give it a few minutes and then we can top this with some scrambled eggs. So let's go ahead and put our lid on and give this a few minutes. Alright, let's check on our bitter melon here. So whenever I make any vegetable dish, I try to pair it with something fried. Today, I will be pairing it with some fried fish. So I'm actually going to deep fry the fish in the garage because I don't like to stink up the house. I'm sure you can all relate. So let's go ahead and add our scrambled egg. We're not even gonna mix this. We'll put our lid on and give this a few minutes. Then after a few minutes, that's when we mix it. So nothing fancy, just a very simple home cooked meal. So salt and pepper here. A little bit more. And a little bit of cornstarch. The cornstarch give them a crisp when you deep fry them. I'm actually going to be frying these in the garage. I don't like frying fish inside the house. I'm sure you guys can relate. I don't like stinking up the house. Alright, these are good to go. So let's go in the garage now. Alright guys, nothing fancy here. Just a very simple way to enjoy a bitter melon. My kids are gonna love these fish. Every time I fry these mackerels, they eat so much. The perfect bite. So good. Never gets old. So good. Alright guys, that's it for today. Cook it, enjoy it, and don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button, okay? You guys take care now, okay? I'll see you again on the next one. Bye-bye now. Delicious.